Guys, yesterday I visited one of the top AI schools and universities in China, Gaoling School of Artificial Intelligence, and I have a lot better idea on how to advise you to become AI researchers. Join my school to become AI researcher, free trial link below the video. Now let me show you the post that I made about what I learned, so it's gonna be this post. Your main goal should not be to write a paper, publish paper, get a job. It should be to improve your AI research skills in the next 5 to 10 years. So that's your main goal, improving your skill in the next 5 years or 10 years. I'm gonna pick 10 years, but if you are impatient, you can pick 5 years. But anyways, it's just to improve your skill every day. That's the main goal. Writing a single paper will not bring you much of anything. Look at papers as stepping stones towards your goal. This building of the school is actually pretty beautiful, I must say. Now, top PhD students in the world learn this the same way you learn it. You just need to sit down, self-study, watch videos, write, explain. They all sit down, there is no professors hovering around them, they just have their own tables, they just sit down and they just sit there whole day and study, and that's it. That's how it works. It's just the way you can do it and you do. This is one of my friends at that school, Gaoling School of AI, and he's incoming intern in ByteDance Seed, very famous AI lab, and he's writing blog posts, trying to write blog posts frequently. So I recommend you just start writing blog posts, social media posts, or recording YouTube videos and explaining everything you do. Don't have the imposter syndrome. No matter how basic or beginner stuff you are learning, even derivatives, whatever you are learning, just write a blog post, explain it. Explaining is the best way to learn. You are helping others learn, and you have some goal to do. It's not like this, like gold only will pay off in 5 years. You write some blog post, social media post today, it pays off. And this is how you can slowly progress, improve your skill, and help others learn. So I think this is the main way to learn, is to writing blog posts, social media posts, recording videos about it. That's the main way to learn. That's what got me into this position, that I can go and visit these top labs, talk to best researchers in the world. But even talking to them, visiting them, is not as important as you just sitting down, learning this stuff, writing blog posts and publishing what you learn every day. In my previous video, I mentioned that PhD students are a bit scared to publish their ideas because then somebody will steal, use more GPUs and publish it before them, and PhD life is determined on your papers, which is not good. I'm gonna try to get all of these top students to publish every day or every couple of days, everything they do, all of the ideas, because a lot of knowledge is wasted because they publish one paper every 3 to 6 months, and a lot of their knowledge is wasted compared to if they publish regularly every couple of days. Everything they think about, they study. And I will also advise them and you not to have this imposter syndrome, like, oh, but I don't know this yet, I need to first master this. No, that's not how it works. I'm not mastering all of my videos, but I think they are helping people learn. But I'm not a master in everything I explain, everything I do. I'm just making videos trying to share everything I'm learning every day. So you need to do the same. It will get people to know you, it will help you learn, it will build your skills, it will allow you to go to whatever top places, US, Europe, China, wherever you want to go. So I explained this post in my previous video, and all I want you to read is this part. So I'm gonna try to encourage these PhD students, they are best in the world, to publish everything they do. I will also encourage everybody else watching this video for you to also publish everything you do. And that's how you will learn. Just every day, just write some blog posts for every couple of days. And I might enroll PhD myself and do everything I do here now. We'll see about this yet. And now I will focus my community on exactly this. You just writing down, learning and publishing every day your ideas, your thoughts. It can be very short. You can just make a few minute video or just a short post on LinkedIn. Doesn't need to be perfect, just what you learned, just some ideas. Doesn't need to be perfect. Don't overwhelm yourself. Just even if you don't feel like too much, if it's too difficult to do, you can do it a bit shorter. So just do it every day, and that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.